Once upon a quiet, chilly evening, a little girl with bright, curious eyes and a heart filled with kindness stood by her window, holding a warm cup of coffee. She gently sipped her drink as she gazed outside, watching the soft snowflakes swirling through the sky. The world outside looked cold, silent and magical. Suddenly, she noticed something strange, a small shadow, stumbling across the snow. She leaned closer. It was a penguin. Without thinking twice, the kind and compassionate girl rushed outside into the freezing blizzard. The icy wind brushed against her face, and the snow crunched beneath her feet. There it was, a tiny penguin, trembling, exhausted and lost. "Oh, you poor little thing," she whispered softly. With great care, she picked it up gently, holding it close to keep it warm. The penguin shivered in her arms. Quickly, she hurried back inside her cozy home, where warmth and safety waited. The little girl wrapped the tiny penguin in a soft, warm blanket and gently carried it closer to the crackling fireplace. The room was filled with golden warmth, a safe contrast to the freezing blizzard outside. The penguin was still trembling slightly, its small body weak from the cold. The girl sat beside it quietly, watching it carefully with soft, caring eyes. After a few moments, she smiled gently and asked, "What is your name, little one?" The penguin blinked slowly, tired, confused, but peaceful in her care. Of course, it did not answer. The girl gave a soft laugh. "That's okay. I will give you a name then." She thought for a moment, looking at the snowy world outside the window, and then she said warmly, "I will call you Snowy." The penguin tilted its head slightly, as if it understood, as if it accepted the name. And in that quiet moment, a gentle bond was formed between kindness and innocence. The girl quietly went into the kitchen, her heart full of care for her little guest. She wanted to make something special, something warm, comforting, and healing. She prepared a bowl of piping hot pumpkin soup, carefully stirring it as steam rose gently into the air. The aroma filled the room, rich, warm, and soothing. She added a touch of sweetness and care, making it perfect for Snowy. Slowly, she brought the bowl back. She placed it in front of the penguin with a soft smile. "Try this. It will make you feel better." Snowy took a small sip, then another, and suddenly, its eyes lit up with joy. "This soup is absolutely scrumptious." It seemed to express happily. The girl smiled brightly, happy to see Snowy finally enjoying something warm and delicious. The next morning, soft sunlight gently filled the room. The blizzard had finally passed, leaving behind a calm, peaceful world. The girl and Snowy sat together at a small table. On the table were warm, fluffy pancakes, fresh, soft, and golden. They shared breakfast quietly, in a peaceful, happy atmosphere. Snowy seemed much stronger now, its eyes bright and full of life. The girl poured syrup over the pancakes and smiled as Snowy enjoyed every bite. It was a simple morning, but filled with warmth and happiness, a moment of friendship that felt truly special. Later that day, the sky was clear, and the snow outside sparkled gently under the light. Snowy stood near the door, ready to return to its world. The girl knelt down beside it, her eyes soft, but a little sad. She knew this moment would come. She gently touched Snowy's head and smiled with kindness. "You are strong now, and free." Snowy looked at her with grateful eyes, remembering every moment of care, warmth, and kindness. Slowly, it stepped outside into the snow, then turned back one last time. The girl waved softly, her heart full, not of sadness, but of love, because sometimes true kindness means letting go, and some bonds never end. They only live in the heart forever. Vocabulary to learn from this story. Let's learn some beautiful and useful English words from this story. Blizzard, a strong snowstorm with heavy wind and snow falling everywhere. Compassionate, a person who feels deep kindness and cares about others' pain. Piping hot, something very hot and freshly made, especially food or drinks. Scrumptious, extremely delicious and tasty food. Exhausted, very, very tired, both physically and emotionally. Kindness, being gentle, caring, and helpful to others without expecting anything back. In this story, we learn that even a small act of kindness can bring warmth into someone's life. Just like the girl who saved the lost penguin.